What's up, everybody? So, right after I suggested that the rain was done for the season, it rained, which is great for those of us here in California. We know that rain is a good thing and we need it when we can get it. So it's a bummer for riding, but it's good that we've got it. But anyways, it's not raining today. It rained yesterday. So today we're taking a little stroll down Summit Road. I'll call this the section of Summit Road that crosses over 17, Highway 17. Henry let me know that people also refer to the Summit Road / Mount Madonna Road more as Summit Road than they do Mount Madonna, so that can be a little confusing. I've got another video on that little ride, and I had named it Mount Madonna Road when really it's both, and apparently most people refer to it as Summit. But this road doesn't actually doesn't quite run into it. You've got to take Loma Prieta Avenue to get to that section of this road. But anyways, a lot of quite a bit of historical significance on this road. There are some old abandoned railroad tunnels and towns, and from back in the 1800s. We're headed to, I've got the girlfriend on the back, and we're gonna go to the Summit store, which is a great place to get some sandwiches or some meat. I think I've said that before, but bears saying again. So we're gonna go get some sandwiches and then stop by one of the mini wineries on this road as well. One of them being the Wright Station, which is named after an old railroad, well, it was a railroad station. It housed Chinese railroad workers back in the day. The Wright Station Winery, I don't believe, is actually located where the Wright Station was physically, but it's named after it. There's also Bureau School Winery. There were six school districts up along this road, which is pretty crazy. The other section of Summit Road might be more interesting for you dual sport riders, because it's pretty much all dirt. But this one's pretty fun too. Got a little scenery. You can see back there, it's a little one-laney. Once you get to this point, you're back to 2 lanes, but a little bit of traffic. Broke down there right at that corner we just passed. That's where I was when my drive shaft just spun the teeth, which was quite unfortunate. Looks like we're behind quite a few cars here, so this is going to be a little slow. We'll probably cut this out. This would be Mountain Charlie Road. I've also got a video on this. Pretty fun little road. Rough and potholy. There's a little plaque there on Mountain Charlie, I believe. There's also one right across the Highway 17 here. So we are now on, that's the Mountain Charlie continues down that way just a little bit to Old Santa Cruz Road. But we're now back on Summit on the other side of the highway. Wright station, the original Wright station, I guess burnt down I think in 1885 and then was rebuilt, but then it was taken out again, I think for the final time, by an earthquake in 1909. So as far as I know, none of it exists any longer. But at least you can swing by the Wright Station Winery, which was named after it. Apparently this is the wine trail. What other wineries are here? There's the Wright Station, Bureau School Winery. There is the Regal Winery. That's all I can think of at the moment. This stretch is a little more scenic than it is windy. There's also quite a few churches up here. Very ranchy kind of area. I would not mind having a place out here. This road also separates Santa Cruz side of the mountain with the Santa Clara side of the mountain. I believe it's technically Los Gatos. But this is pretty much the separator. It's a bit of a gloomy day, a little bit chilly, but not too bad. Hopefully they've got some heaters around the winery. I'm sure they do. There's Loma Prieta Winery. Or I think that's what that said. There's another church for you. This would be Wright Station Winery to the left, Regal to the right, Bureau School again to the right, little one room schoolhouse, another route to Wright Station Winery there to the left. And then here we are at the Summit store, pretty much the end of this portion of the Summit Road. Come get yourself some sandwiches or some meat. But anyways, I'll check in with you guys next time. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.